Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Discord payment not processing. So first of all, this works in both your phone and as well as your PC. What you have to do is launch your application and select your profile on your bottom right. Select the gear icon, and here make sure if you're adding any type of payment method, whether that be your card or any type of other payment methods, make sure that are working. If it's your card, make sure it is active and you are also using it at the same time. Next, what you could check is your Wi-Fi connection. At times when your Wi-Fi is not working, the payment might show that it is not being processed. So if you think your Wi-Fi is slower, go ahead and switch it to your mobile data. Lastly, what you could try is long tap on Discord, select the eye icon, select storage. Here, clear the cache and come back onto App Info page. Select Force Stop. This will simply cease the application from running. That is exactly what we want for now. So go ahead, select OK. Restart your device, launch your Discord, and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then you're going to have to try that using your browser. You can get logged into your browser and see if this fixes your problem. And if it's still not working, then just a couple hours, try again from both your application and browser, and I'm sure it will definitely fix your problem.